The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Williamson County, Illinois, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake of Egypt area, or near Marion, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marion, Pittsburgh, Creel Springs, Lake of Egypt area, and Spillertown. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Illinois near mile marker 1. Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 44 and 54. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following county: Williamson, Illinois. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for